primarily in manufacturing. We have about 10,000 employees globally. We're very decentralized, right? And we'll talk about our model and how that kind of fits and the challenges that come with that particular avenue. The process was scattered, right? Everyone kind of did their own thing. We had some people actually manually passing paper to purchasing. Other people were doing it through email. Other people had certain systems that they were trying to utilize. So a very disparate set of systems and very paper heavy. Zycus gave us a very partnership model. So we felt like they were going to come alongside us, stand with us. I think back in that day, 2017, about 8 years ago, they didn't have many manufacturing customers. So we were one of the first to be able to come into that space and come alongside them and share with them some of the challenges, some of the unique elements, and how that can apply to their solution and how they can make it better for others. So they really took on a partnership model, and just to advocate, that's how it has been, right? I can always call them up, get somebody on the line that's going to be able to listen to my questions, understand our business problems. They didn't have many manufacturing customers. So we were one of the first to be able to come into that space and come alongside them and share with them some of the challenges, some of the unique elements, and how that can apply to their solution and how they can make it better for others. We're starting to get more and more involved in this agentic AI approach, right? We utilize Microsoft Teams, so it gives us an opportunity to connect these systems. We started the conversation in Teams, and it directed them to the proper tool like Zycus to create purchase orders, how seamless that could be or how that could help with change management in general. We have this implemented today. We utilize it. For example, if I get an approval through the system, not only do I get an email from the platform, which, as we all know, sometimes emails can become buried, but I'll also get a notification through Teams letting me know, hey, I've got something out there. Our requisitioners can go in and actually type in, hey, I want to check on this particular order, and it can give them status. We're very decentralized. We have a variety of different ERP systems that we need to connect to in order to exchange information back and forth. We have what we essentially call a homegrown middleware system that enables us to take the information from those different ERP systems, put it into one centralized location, and then transfer that information into Zycus. Same way on the way back out. Unified master data that we're able to see within the platform itself. We were able to create a lot of mappings that enable a user when they're actually creating requisitions to go in. They buy an item, it recognizes the category, it maps automatically to the GL account, it defaults their cost center, they can make adjustments as necessary. Negotiated a deal with Staples, let's say, for office supplies. How would we communicate that information to everyone across Curtis-Wright to make sure they understood that, number one, we negotiated this agreement on their behalf, and they can start taking advantage of this discount. The way that used to function is we would negotiate the agreement, they're automatically connected. When they click on the Staples logo, they're automatically directed out to our catalog. They don't have to sign up. They don't have to memorize the login information for all of these different customers or suppliers of ours. And then secondarily, if I stand up a new relationship with a vendor, I'm able to put it in that same place that they're already going. So I always think of it, this is our Curtis-Wright shopping mall. They're always trying to find that next horizon that they can ultimately lean into. We've seen a lot of that, and feeling like a partner. We are a partner in a sense because they'll come to us and ask us for direct feedback when they're rolling something out. They'll give us an opportunity to become a part of the testing program. Very decentralized, so it would be something that we would have to grow and understand the different needs of our business units in order to be able to capitalize on that as well. I like what I was seeing in the different multiple agents and being able to actually take things like, a price negotiation. I want to see exactly how that plays out, right? And test that a little bit on my end to understand, is that something that we could see being implemented across our organization as well?